Good evening to one and all. I hope you all really enjoyed the game. I loved it. I don't know how did you all, but I really loved that young people coming out to a big ground. And I thank the coaches to get them all the way here as well. But the main purpose of making you all play in a full-fledged ground is so you can test your stamina where you stand. You can test your running between the wickets where you stand. You can test most of the skills what you have in you and also what you do in your ground. That is most important, I feel, playing in a bigger ground, because playing in small grounds it's very easy to score 100 to 100. When you come to a real test or real game, everyone will fall apart. That's the main reason making you all play in a big ground. And thank you all for participating in the small tournament as well, which I've conducted. First of all, we'll start off with the man of the match for today's game. It was a tough ask, but I felt that was the game changer which changed the game actually in the duo course, where I would say the man of the match should be given to Vishnu, who bowled the last over. Vikyan. Who took 2 wickets in a row changed the game. And first of all, I like to call ma'am, who is the chief guest for today. She is the principal for Brilliant Grammar School. Sorry. And Nandi sir, please. And Goyal sir. Goyal sir.
है आपके बाजू में चाहिए.
Sorry. So, ma'am, please give the man of the match.
Please, madam.
Okay. I really appreciate one thing that I really like is I've been also a part of Sir. That is the most important discipline in the team, which the most vital thing carries over. So I felt that to give Anup Nandi sir for his team, for the brilliant discipline of the team which he has come up with. So ma'am, please, and Sanjay sir, please give it to Anup Nandi sir.
Okay, when it comes to discipline, parents थोड़ा आगे आ जाइए. Okay, when it comes to discipline, of course the monitor is very important, but I do believe that it is also the children who makes it get the trophy. So I request my team to come along with me. They deserve it. I will be monitoring them. I will be telling them.
ट्रॉफी कैसे था उन लोग आएंगे तो अभी आप
नहीं ये भी discipline है बोल तो what do you say, madam? You are a teacher.
Definitely, discipline comes from the students, but the mentor should be right. If the mentor is right, the discipline follows.
Yeah, believe, frankly speaking, I just tell about myself because I believe in it's not only playing the game, it's also when you have proper discipline, it will, if you can learn the things, hello, मैं कुछ बात कर रहा हूँ, okay, you can learn the things little bit fast, and that disciplined word is there, no, it will really get you up on the top, along with your game. So many people have seen, Sanjay must have too seen, have seen these youngsters are sitting here, under 19 people. They up to certain age, they'll maintain discipline, but as they play some state level, their collar goes up. There, it is very hard to control discipline. I mean, that is the time you should maintain yourself. You respect. Discipline doesn't mean saying good morning to your sir, good evening to your sir, being good to that, coming in time. Discipline also means says how you conduct yourself on the field, off the field, and your attitude towards, behavior towards others. Thank you.
Sir, please.
1 minute. Done.
Thank you.
Well done, sir.
Thank you.
Now coming up to the individual performance throughout the competition, there have been few very good talented kids that have come out. I think you are the stepping stones to set up this Hyderabad to another level. What I'm saying is like you are the generation where you can go ahead, far ahead, or you can go far ahead and drop down yourself and play like these boys fit for nothing. I'm serious. Okay, these boys are only playing for time pass here because they're 19, 20 years kids, which they don't know what to do. They're just coming in play. Okay, but you are the generation boys who can step yourself ahead. Either study well and sit at home and don't waste your parents' money because playing sport is very expensive now. or if you want to really come up in your life, I think go to Anup Nandi sir, and there are various other camps who do it at a very serious level and also at a professional level. So all the best to everyone. So I come up with the best batsman for the competition is Mr. Goes to Jishnu.
See you soon and state.
I felt he's a very small kid, but he has done he has caught eyes of all the boys. He's Sai, the little boy from Swayam Krishi. I think he's not here, but someone else can take on behalf of him. Sir, you can take that on behalf of that boy Sai.
Hello boys, nobody's clapping, come on.
Then I got the best bowler who has done good with the bowling and has taken 5 wickets as well in an innings. Goes to Lohit. I've got the best wicket keeper for the competition, who is the backbone for each and every team. I think they need a wicket keeper, and that keeper can change the game drastically, because one good catch, one good stumping, one good run out will change the whole game. I think the keeper from Arvind has got the best.
Yeah, I just want to tell the people the behind him taking up keeper. He's actually a very good, outstanding fielder as well as good bowler. Just after seeing Dhoni, one day, good evening, in the evening he came and told me recently, I think it's not even a month that he has started keeping. Not even a month. Everyone knows it on the nets. Okay, it is. I told him that the first day, if you're wearing keeper gloves, it's one of the toughest job in the game, and you have to work very hard with your fitness as well as your batting. Keeping is a job where if you drop one catch, if you lose that match, people will talk about it. So I really appreciate him getting this trophy at this very little span of period of time of his keeping. Well done, very good.
I've got one more award which I felt I should give him because he deserved. He did a very good performance with batting. He did a bit of keeping as well, I think, here and there, and bowling as well, and fielding also. He did an outstanding job. It goes to none other than Yash Patel.
मेरे हाथ से मिल गई थी
Sorry, Krishna Patel. Finally, we're coming up to the last 2 trophies left. I think winning, losing is part of the game, but I think the losers have to take a better step and do better things what they have lost in the game. I think they were on the upper hand till the last 3 overs which they had in their pocket, but they lost the wickets of the crucial batsmen, which made them to go to the second step. I feel, Anupandi sir and ma'am, can you please give the runners-up trophy to Nandi, Goel Akam.
Come on everybody, clap, come on boys.
I know everyone who the winners are, but don't get very excited, but because there will be other teams which can compete against you, where I say that some of the seniors boys have to take that winning trophy continuation, because so that you experience boys what you should be giving a little bit of experience to those youngsters, molding them along with you, communicating along with them, you can take them way ahead. I hope you keep the winning streak going, and all the best to Nandi sir for winning the trophy, and congrats to the boys.
Come all the team.
टीम कमान पीछे टीम विकेट गिरना नहीं दे
Everybody smile, please.
हो गया
Yeah, हो गया सर 5. Yeah.
आया कि नहीं
दूसरा आया.
Congratulations, Jippe Pure for your team. Okay?
शाबाश या नहीं खड़े या मैडम यू आल्सो प्लीज I just madam yeah boys now concluding I just I should thank Sanjay for giving my team this opportunity to play in this beautiful ground. Thank you, Sanjay. I also thank all the participant team. They did very good, and this is really final was just like final. I don't take the credit. Of course, on the trophy it will be winners, but for me, I still think you are also winners. Clap, yeah. Because you made each and every ball, each and every run was played, and everything was very observed. Every run was very observed. Each and every ball was observed very sincerely, seriously, and with lot of efforts with it in bowling, batting, as well as fielding. So I thank all the team players and the winners as well as the losers. Don't think you are losed anything. For me, you are winners because I think you people have given a very good fight to my team. Okay. Going to the Sanjay again. I thank Sanjay again. The lovely ground. Keep organizing such tournaments as you have told that they are the stars or the pillars of Hyderabad Cricket Association or cricket, and they are tomorrow's stars. As if most of the boys, they must have played their few on this beautiful ground and turf wicket. They don't know what is turf. They have seen also. So this is a very good experience for the boys. I thank all and all. Thank Goel sir for coming over here. Okay, it was a tough fight, which each and everyone enjoyed it. Thank you, bro. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, bro.
Thank you everyone, guys.
मैडम ये इसको जरा हटा दिए तो बहुत जगह बचे लेके जा थोड़े लोग बैठ जाओ अच्छा फोटो बैठ जाओ एवरीवन विल बी कवर्ड